So you've seen all the massive numbers and sales coming from Facebook ads. It seems like every other business online is making millions, and all they had to do was just turn on Facebook ads. But for you, it feels like they're just not working, and iOS 14 updates just killed the Facebook ads completely. You've been researching for hours trying to figure out what's wrong, or maybe you are about to give up on advertising at all, and you're asking yourself, why is it not working for me? I am here to tell you Facebook ads are not dead. And how do I know this? Because I am personally running ads for other businesses. So this is what I do literally day in and day out, run Facebook ads for other businesses for profit. Let me share with you my best kept secrets that I've been using post iOS 14 that have been working on Facebook ads. And make sure you stay till the end because the last one will be the most important tip. So let's get into it. So the first tip I'm going to give you is to run video views ads, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Video views are great if you need to educate your audience or you need to warm them up before you're asking for a purchase. So let's say you're priced more expensive or you're a premium service. In that case, you would need to educate your audience first, which you can do with your video. And in the video, you can actually put in an offer and ask them to purchase at the end, but that's not the main goal of the video. So if you do put in an offer, then you're gonna generate some sales, even just running from video views. But the goal of this ad is to actually warm up the audience so you can retarget them and show them the offer. In that case, they already know who you are, what their problem is, and they're gonna be more inclined to actually purchase. The best part about video view ads is that it's so cheap to run them. Like you will get views for pennies. The second secret that I've been doing is running dynamic images and catalog sales. So if you have an e-commerce or if you have multiple products that you're selling, you can create a catalog on your Facebook ads account, ads manager, business manager, and then you are letting Facebook choose the right product to the right audience. So Facebook knows what kind of products you bought before, and if you are interested in more of the same type of products. So let Facebook choose what product to show first, and you can do that by just setting up the catalog. Honestly, this has worked so good for my e-commerce clients who have multiple products or even like huge e-commerce shops where there's lots and lots of products, and you're gonna divide them by category and show the right category to the right audience. Number 3 is using reviews and user-generated content, so UGC. And this has always worked, and it will continue to work till the end of social media. And it works because Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, whatever, they're all social media networks. And if you go there as a user, you're not there to buy stuff. You're there to spy on your neighbors or your friends, whatever, right? Everyone has their quirks. So if you see an ad, you may scroll. But if you see a review or a video of a person using it and demonstrating it that looks native to the platform, then there's less chance that you will keep scrolling. So it should stop you. Reviews have always worked, and UGC has always worked. So you can ask your clients to record a video showing how much they love the product or why they purchased the product or a service. Or if you can't do that, then talk to an influencer, make a deal with them, pay them money if they ask you to, and let them record a really good UGC video that looks native. And then you can use that to run ads. You can also use reviews that you've gotten, like written reviews, as copies, or show them, demonstrate them on the video or an image. Number 4 tip that you need to do if you want your Facebook ads to work is using broad audiences. And that means you're not targeting any interest and age group. And maybe if you have a worldwide product, like you're selling worldwide, you can niche it to a country just to make the audience a little bit smaller because there's language difference or cultural differences. But you're literally giving Facebook money to show it to everyone. It actually doesn't work like that, that Facebook would take and show it to everyone, because the audience is huge, right? So it's gonna take its budget, and Facebook will decide on who to show it to, who would be the most similar to your audience. And the way it decides is based on your creative. So your creative, the image, the copy that you're using, it needs to literally talk to your target audience only and nobody else. You have to repel everyone else and literally call in your target audience. And that's the way Facebook will also use that information to show it to the right audience. So the perfect thing to do is call out your audience. Say, hey, social media managers, or is your plumbing broken? Like, say it immediately in the ad. Show the image. If you want to sell car products or whatever, show a car in the video that your audience most likely has. This takes a lot of research. You really have to understand marketing and how your audience thinks, where they are, what their problems are, like really the foundations. So definitely dig in there, but it works right now. Do not give Facebook restraints and let Facebook do its work and show it to the best audience. Okay, last but not the least, and the most important part that you can do to get better results with your ads is test new creatives constantly. It's all about the creatives now, all about the images, the videos, the copy that you're writing. It's all about creatives. The goal in here is to test new creatives each week and try to get the cost for purchase lower, the click-through rate higher, and the engagement higher. So once you figure out what type of video or copy or an image works and is getting results, you should try to replicate that and create different variations to go deeper. It's like going down a rabbit hole. But to get to that point, you have to try very different images and very different videos to find out what your audience reacts to best. So this is the way you test out, this is the way you target your audience now. This is the way you're gonna get the cheapest cost per action, by testing new creatives constantly. Gone are the days when you just created a perfect image and one text, and you showed it to the perfect audience. We have to now understand that there's going to be a lot of people seeing your ads who doesn't want to actually buy from you. So you have to make sure that those audiences would keep scrolling and your target audience would react and engage with it. And Facebook really encourages you to do the same. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help everyone with any comments that you have. That's it. Those are my 5 tips. Please write them down. Make sure you actually close the video right now and start using them, implementing in your ad strategy. And if you need any help with running Facebook ads, then I'll leave my email below so you can send me an email and we'll see if we can help you out. Thank you for watching.